Pastor Mark Biltz here from Shaddai Ministries. Thank you again so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe and share. Also, please like this video, and we would love to hear your comments. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Now, with that said, look at Romans chapter 10, verse 4, how it is so misunderstood. It says, "For Christ is the end of the law for righteousness to everyone that believes." So people think, many Christians say, well, see, Christ is the end of the law is done away with. Well, the problem is the English translation. Let me give you a better translation. For Messiah is the goal of the Torah to righteousness to everyone who believes. So here we see, again, this assembly, and guess what? There is the goal line, which is the Messiah. So even think in terms of a football, we're headed toward the end zone. You get it? The end zone, the goal is the Messiah. When it says that it's the end of the law, it basically could be translated that Messiah is the goal of the Torah. The Torah is not the Messiah. The Torah is the football field. And what happens if a football player runs the wrong direction? Everyone on his team is screaming, "You idiot, turn around." Okay, or like a basketball player trying to make a basket at the wrong end. So we have to understand the whole goal of the Torah, it's pointing to the end zone. So that's what it really means. Pastor Mark Biltz here from Shaddai Ministries. Thank you again so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe and share. Also, please like this video, and we would love to hear your comments. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.